Are you tired of the rat race and you're ready for a work from home job? Stay tuned because I'm going to give you all the top 5 jobs where you can work from home. Thank you so much for joining Terry on Demand. Why don't you do me a favor and go ahead and click the subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this video with someone you think would benefit from this information. Let's jump right into the episode. So, with the onset of COVID, they are calling this the Great Migration. So many people have decided, you know what? I'm going to bet on myself and start working for myself and go ahead and start that business. But then there's another sector of people who have decided, I kind of like working from home and I think I want to continue working from home. So the first company that's a work from home friendly company is Humana. So I'm going to drop their link down in the comment section and also across the screen. They will provide a computer. Looks like most of their position starts between $41,000 on up to 6 figures. So go ahead and check out Humana to see if any of their positions are a good fit for you. They will provide you once again with a computer. You will have to go through a drug screening as well. The next company that's hiring for work from home positions is Apple. You want to make sure you check out the link once again in the comment section because I'm going to place it down there. They're hiring for IT positions, customer service rep positions, all types of positions. Go ahead and check out Apple. Most of the salary starts right around $35,000 on up to 6 figures. Go ahead and check out Apple and see what you qualify for. They will also provide you with an iMac as well. The next company on the list is WELLTHY. WELLTHY, WELLTHY. This is an insurance giant. Their starting pay is $20 an hour. In this position, that's also remote. It's for a care coordinator. So you would help to coordinate the care of the patients. They also provide benefits, 401k, and an exhaustive benefits package that you can take advantage of. The next company that's hiring remote workers is Amazon. Yes, the giant Amazon. Now, who wouldn't think that Amazon, because they're global and all over the world. So Amazon is hiring for human resources coordinators. They're also hiring for customer service representatives and IT positions. They're also hiring for a massive amount of other positions as well. Their starting pay is right around $15 an hour on up to 6 figures, depending on what your skill set is. So go ahead and check out Amazon because they are hiring right now for remote positions. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Terry on Demand, where we're giving you the hottest information that you want to know about. Do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this video with somebody who you know will benefit from this information. Listen, check out the description box where you can pick up my new ebook that I've just written just for you. Have a great day and see you on the next episode.